Hi there, and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. I'm going to share with you how to make this easy gluten-free fudge recipe. It's naturally gluten-free. You just always want to check the ingredients first. This is one of the most popular Christmas recipes during the holidays on the website, so I thought I would share with you how easy it is to make. So first, you're going to need a few ingredients. You'll want 4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt, and then if you want to make it a little extra, you can add crushed peppermint or crushed nuts or marshmallows, whatever you want to add in. So the first thing you're going to need is a heavy saucepan, and you're going to go ahead and first prepare an 8-inch square pan with parchment paper. Then you're going to use that saucepan and add chocolate chips and milk to it. So you'll need both the square pan and the heavy saucepan to get started. Once you have that in there, you're going to go ahead and heat this over on low heat and keep stirring it to get those chocolate chips almost melted. Once they're almost melted, remove the heat from the heat and then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and salt. And just continue to mix it until it's nice and creamy and smooth. It'll look kind of shiny on top. And then you can go ahead and stir in the nuts or peppermint if you want to go ahead and add those. I'm adding in nuts here. A lot of times we do peppermint though with crushed candy canes. Then you can go ahead and spread this evenly into your prepared pan. If you leave a little bit of parchment on the sides there, that will help you be able to easily pull this out of your pan once the fudge is hardened. And we're going to let it chill in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Once that's done and it's set, you can lift the parchment out and then use a sharp knife and cut the fudge into squares. This can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge until you're ready to eat it or as you're snacking on it throughout the holiday season. This is the easiest way to make gluten-free fudge. Super simple pantry ingredients. Check out this complete recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com.